Hello everyone, so in this video let's solve this trigonometric integral. Alright, so here's the problem. Integrate cosine 5x divided by 3 plus sine 5x dx. So the moment you will see this integral, how do you solve it? So what would be your options? So what would be your strategy in solving this integral? So the very first step is to always look at the form of the integrand, all right? Investigate and try to see what's in there, All right, so we have the integral of cosine 5x over 3 plus sine 5x. So we have cosine and we also have sine. And we also have 5x and 5x in the numerator and 5x in the denominator, right? As you can see there. So it is actually a fraction, right? It's a fraction. And the numerator is cosine 5x, right? And the denominator is 3 plus sine 5x. So that is our given, right? So what we will do now is we will check. Okay, check. All right, this is something that you need to remember. All right, check if the numerator or is almost the derivative of the denominator. All right, so check if the numerator is the derivative of the denominator. So that means if you take the derivative of the numerator, is the answer the numerator? All right. So that is something you always need to think about, right? Try to see, oh, these seem like the same, right? If I take the derivative of the denominator, is the answer the numerator? So check if the numerator is the derivative of the denominator. Let's check. The derivative of the numerator, denominator, so this is the denominator, right? This is the denominator, right? If I will take the derivative of that denominator, it is actually 5 cosine 5x, right? So it is almost there, right? Right? Because if you look at our given, see, the numerator has actually cosine 5x. And when we take the derivative of the denominator, it gives us 5 cosine 5x. There's just something missing, 5. But we do have cosine 5x, right? So this would actually tell us to do a substitution. What do you mean by that? We can actually let u as the other one, and then we can solve for du, right? So whenever you see something like this, right? So the numerator is the derivative of the denominator. You can immediately think of this kind of integral, all right? So in this case, we do have cosine 5x, all right? Although when we take the derivative, what we have is actually this, 5 cosine 5x. But yet, we do have cosine 5x. So we can always adjust the factor, right? So if we let u, so this is not what we call substitution. If we let u is equal to the denominator, this is the denominator now, right? That's the denominator, 3 plus sine 5x. That is our u. The derivative of u, or the derivative of the denominator, is du. And the derivative of the denominator is 5 cosine 5x dx, right? Cosine 5x dx, or simply equal to du over 5, right? Because what we need is only cosine 5. Cosine 5 is what we need. We don't need the 5, so we can put 5 on the other side. So du over 5. So if we put it back in the integral, so this is our integral, right? This is what we have. Originally, this is what we have. But we can replace it with 1 over u du over 5, right? We let u and then we solve for the derivative of u or du, which is du over 5 because there was 5 before the cosine. So it would become like this now, the integral of 1 over u times du over 5, right? But we can factor out the constant 1/5. We can factor out the constant 1/5. So it would be like this, right? So we can write it like this. 1/5 outside integral of 1 over u du, right? So from here, it becomes like that. So 1/5 outside of the integral sign and the integral of 1 over u du. And once we have that, we will now integrate this one, integrate it. So 1/5 of 1 over du, and the integral for this is very easy. It's 1/5 ln u plus c, right? So 1/5, and the integral of 1 over u du, you can memorize it. The integral of 1 over u du is ln u plus c. Integral of 1 over u du is ln u plus c. ln u plus c. So is this the final answer now? No, not yet. Why? We need to put u back because we substitute u, we put u back. Remember, we let u equal to this. So we now substitute the u with this correct, right? So remember, it was ln u plus c. So we now need to replace u by the correct one. So it is now ln 3 plus sine 5x plus c. And that would be our final answer. All right. It is easy actually, for as long as you can think that the derivative of the denominator is actually the numerator, right? So just think it from the back of your mind, oh, the derivative, I might take the derivative and then check if it is equal to the numerator. All right. So if you have questions, don't forget, remember, once you have the value of like this, once you have this answer, that is not yet the final answer because you still have u in there. Change u back. And we know that u is this one. So we need to put u back. And that is the u. So the final answer is without the u. All right. So that would be the final answer. All right. So leave your comments below and don't forget to like and give me a follow. All right. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.